Hello everybody, welcome to BSP Information. In this video, I want to explain about Sensex and Nifty. We will be listening in the news channels and reading in the newspapers about the words Sensex and Nifty. We will listen that today the Sensex has gained profit by these many points and the Nifty has run into loss by these many points. Like this, daily we will come to know about the rise and fall of these indicators through news channels and newspapers. Actually, what are these words, Sensex and Nifty? Let us know about these words. Sensex and Nifty, these words are the indicators in stock market. These indicators will indicate and tells us that whether majority of the companies in the stock market would have run into loss or profit. That means on a particular day, if majority of the companies in stock market runs into profit, then these indicators will increase. In the same way, if majority of the companies in the stock market runs into loss, then these indicators will fall or decreases. And let us know about BSE and NSE. BSE means Bombay Stock Exchange. NSE means National Stock Exchange. Almost all the companies had enlisted in these two exchanges. Sensex is the indicator, tells us that about majority of the companies that which are present in BSE whether would have run in loss or profit. That means the indicator Sensex is related to BSE. In the same way, the indicator Nifty tells us about majority of the companies that which are present in NSE whether would have run in loss or profit. That means the indicator Nifty relates to NSE. And thousands of companies have been listed in the BSE. All these companies will not be taken into consider. Only the companies which are in top position will be taken into consider. That means only 30 companies that which are running in profit or the companies which are in top position in regards to market capitalization will be taken into consider. For example, if 20 out of 30 companies in BSE have run into profit and 10 companies have run into loss, then in this regard the value of the Sensex will increases. That means points will be added to Sensex. And if majority of the companies got loss and minority of the companies got profit, then the value of the Sensex will decreases and lose the points. In this way, every day the Sensex points will rise and fall. At the beginning, Sensex was started with 100 points, but now it is trading at 29,000 points. In the same way, Nifty also runs. But in BSE, 30 companies will be taken into consider, but in NSE, 50 companies will be taken into consider. From among these 50 companies, if majority companies runs into profit, then the value of Nifty will increases. In the same way, if majority of the companies runs into loss, then the value of Nifty will falls down. At the beginning, in 1994-95, Nifty was started with 1000 points, but now it is at the trading points of 7,900 and 8,000. These indicators, that means Sensex and Nifty, will be useful to indicate the development of stock markets and economic development of our country.